Hey, hello guys, this is Suresh from Gentech channel. In this tutorial now we are going to see how to install BlueStack into Windows PC. The first and the foremost thing is you should know what is BlueStack, what is the use of BlueStack. BlueStack is application runs on Windows which has the ability to convert our Windows PC, Windows exe executable into APK executable Android emulator. So the reason we are using BlueStack. And then now go to the given website. The link is below the description and click on the download BlueStack option. It will automatically redirect you to download the exe executable file. Just click on as I'm on the screen. And the download exe file will be like this only. I have previous version of exe, so I have used that. Click on install, and according to system it will take some time, maybe 2 to 3 minutes. Our BlueStack has been extracting its file. I think soon the BlueStack software will install engine to the basic libraries of Android in our Windows PC. I think so. Guys, if there any interruption due to our antivirus software, please disable the antivirus software until the installation will finish. Okay, guys. Now let's launch our BlueStack. At the first time boot, it may take some time to boot. Guys, now the BlueStack has been booted successfully. Now I am going to install a simpler app named called EX File Explorer. It is a file explorer app. I think it will be success right now. Yeah, guys, it was installed successfully, and after some time, I has been installed some other apps too. Now I'm going to show you how to install some games and play in a bigger screen. How to play our Android mobile applications in a bigger screen in a Windows PC too. Yeah, come on, I'm just installing a hill climb racing or basically or a very cute app. But it was fine with the way we can play sometimes we can play some games. I'm just showing an example to you what we can play. As that you can play PUBG or Free Fire or Call of Duty, any of the games you can play like that. Click on open and the game control will be visible, and you can see what are the controls available here, and click on X mark to exit. Now the application is loading right now. Hey guys, it was no, as usual. We can play in our mobile also. We can play in a computer also. Just we can use our keyboard keys to control the game. I'm just using some arrow keys to apply gas and apply brakes. For gas, I'm using just light arrow key, and then for brake, I'm just using my left arrow keys to control the game. As like that, you can play PUBG or Free Fire or Call of Duty. Any of the games you can play like that. That's all of a tutorial. If you like my video, so please subscribe our channel and give a thumbs up to me. Thank you guys. Bye.